My name is Jeff Pence. I'm with Bob Street today from Houdini Home Improvement, Lebanon, Ohio, on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we'll be unpacking the wax ring and getting out our other parts to the toilet, like the bolts, and Bob will be showing you how to install those.
Install our bolts. How about that? That looks pretty close.
So you can adjust those by just moving them around?
Yes, side to side to try to center it up. Pull here to move.
Make sure that the wax ring is centered over the sewer pipe. And just to give it a little adjustment, just to make sure.